Hi buddies, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to remove the instance from the server. So first of all we have to check how many instances are running in your server. So simply we can go through with the step by step and we can see how many instances are running in your server. Just go to the search bar and click on SQL Server. Uh, Now here I am running SQL Server 2022 configuration. So just open this one and click on S, and now this pop-up window will be appears for you. In the if in case if you are seeing like SQL Server Configuration Manager local anything, just go to that SQL Server Services. So you can find how many instances are running in your server. So here one MS SQL Server, this is the name it was running, and another one is second instance. I have created and I have mentioned like second instance. Later we are going to see how to create one more instance in your server. Okay. Now I am going to remove this second instance from our server. So we have to follow those steps. It will be easy for us. See, go to the settings, apps uninstall default, click on this, and here we can see all the apps and the features. So we can search for SQL Server. Not there, we can see here. Where is it? Yes, here it is. See, SQL Server 2022 64-bit I have downloaded before and configured. Now we have to click on this, and the reason two things will be appear: modify and uninstall. We can going to remove. So click on uninstall. Yes, this will be asked your this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Okay, not a problem. We can go ahead with uninstall and click on S again. So here we can see there is a three things will be pop up: add, repair, remove. So we are not going to do these two things. Later we can discuss about this. Now we are going to remove the second instance. So click on remove, and it is loading and it will take some time to pop up a window. So let it be. Yes, it is checked the global rules and it came to the another phase. Now we have to select which instance we want to remove, like MS SQL Server first one or second one. See, we are going to remove the second instance. Okay, or we want click on first one means we can this will be removed, and second one, see here it is giving all the details like instance name, instance ID, and the features and the what edition it was and the what version it is showing. So we can see the all the details here. Just select that instance and just click on next, and it will select the features which one we want to. So we have to select database and services. It will be removed all those things, or we can select all things also. It is only the two things. So if you configured any more than this, we can select all. It will be select everything, and click on next. And now it is going to be a next step. Now it is showing ready to remove. These are all the things we are going to remove, like that it is showing, and this is the path where we have configured all those things like related for this instance. So now we are going to click on remove. Yes, it will gather all the details which is related to that secondary instance, features, configurations, and other things, packages, features, logs, whatever it is, everything related to the secondary instance, it is going to be gathered and removed. So once it is removed, we will get an confirmation pop-up window that is called, we can see like, okay, successfully removed from the server. So like that we can see, yes, it's going to be done. It is an easiest step to follow this step by step. Don't be confused about this. Okay. Yes. Yes. See, we can receive one pop-up like, say on the top, your SQL Server 2022 removal completed successfully and database engine services is removed, and it is already configured with the replication. Replication is also successfully removed, and SQL write-ins it skips. Just not that big deal. So setup support files is also removed. Everything is removed from these things, and summary log files has been saved to the following path. Few of these summary it was stored in this path. So if you want to check it, you can go through and check it, but I think it's not that much of important. So we can close this window, and here we can minimize this, and here we can see again SQL Server. It was showing before. See, I have not refreshed it. Before we have an SQL Server second instance. Now already we have removed. Just right click and refresh it. So you can see there is an SQL Server. There is an only one instance is running in 2022 version. So this is the this is the way we have to remove the instance from the server. If you like the video, please do subscribe, like. Thank you for watching.